James Pratt here again. We're at the TASS conference in Tulsa, the Tulsa Area School Technology Conference. And we're talking to our friends, our partners at Alcatel-Lucent, and about their product lines. Twotrees, we sell a lot of their products, their phone systems, their networking equipment. We support it. So I'm here now with Victor and Ryan to talk about the products we sell from and offer to schools. So first thing I want to talk about is a little bit about you guys have a broad product line portfolio for that can work with schools, correct?
Yeah, so we do networking, we do phones, and we do software. I think maybe let's just take a little deeper dive into the phones.
Yeah, so that's a real popular thing. Yep. A lot of schools are moving to voice phones or upgrading their voice over IP phones. So you guys are the former AT&T phones.
Way back,
a long time ago. But talk a little bit now about the Alcatel-Lucent and how those work with the schools.
Sure. So one of the things that's a big advantage for our customers is whether they want to go cloud or they want to go premise, we can do either one. It's basically the same software that runs both, and they could actually do both. So if there's some locations that they just need a couple phones, they could do cloud there.
Okay, yeah.
And then
like a bus barn or athletic facility.
Yep, and they don't have a direct wire, but they do have internet access. They can just do it that way. Okay. Or, they just may have an adjunct location, right? Yeah. You see this more in higher ed, but you see this in some of the other K-12s as well. But if they've got a large presence with, everything's connected together, we can do a premise-based system there. Okay. But it's
and mix and match.
Yeah, they can mix and match. It's all managed as one system.
Okay.
Because our architecture is a cluster-based architecture.
Okay.
So it's meant to be pieces that integrate in together.
And so what that means to them is if you have a fiber cut or their internet's down, they can still talk.
Yep.
On the systems that are on premises means you can still talk, still communicate, still work together, even if your internet's down or cut or whatever.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, and we can build it so that there's several different paths to the outside world.
Okay.
So a lot of schools are doing SIP trunks, and we don't get into necessarily the sale of the SIP trunk, but our partners can get involved in that and adding the service. Yep. And then if the SIP trunk goes down because the internet's down, we've got other access. They can just use, even basic analog lines. If they've got an analog line, they could use that, or if they've got a T1,
cellular modem,
or you can use cellular, or all of the above. Right? We're an all of the above company.
Explain some of the phone system and how that works. You have everything from basic handsets all the way up to really nice Bluetooth.
Yep, we have Bluetooth technology built in on some of our phones. That one that you picked up right there.
So you answer it, you can walk away with this.
Yes, great thing.
Or a Bluetooth headset.
Or a headset, walk away with that. You can. I think I got somebody all the way down past to the gift shop with that earlier today. So great thing about it, noise canceling. So I can actually be right next to you on both of these phones, and I've had multiple customers come by or prospects come by and look at this, and I can just whisper, be like, "Hey, this is Ryan," and they could hear it, and they don't hear the noise in the background. So we have that noise canceling feature. We have a lot of features that are kind of built into what's kind of passed here in Oklahoma, Alyssa's law.
Yeah.
So being able to actually do lockdowns from the actual phone.
From the phone itself.
Yep, and then being able to power IoT devices. I'm going to power this disco ball from the phones. Whoops. There we go.
Okay.
So you can, lockdown is down, everything's good. This can go off and you can connect to IoT devices within your network. So if you have door locks and you want to do a lockdown, you can have those doors locked.
If you have a recorder or
Yep. Cameras, you told us something pretty cool about the cameras earlier.
So part of it, you can do the lockdown on the doors, but through our, what we call it Rainbow, but it's a UCAS system, you can actually get the public responders, your internal responders, and video feeds all on the same communication stream, so that when somebody's walking into a situation, they can see it on the cameras and know what they're walking into and make intelligent decisions because they've got more information.
Yeah, and so Twotrees, we can sell and install all these. We have done that before with other clients, so we'd love to help you out with the phone systems. And just give us a call on that, and we can go into more detail, replace your existing ShoreTel or MyTel or whatever it might be with a brand new
Cisco.
Cisco.
Whatever it might be with new stuff, new equipment.
And we can provide a cloud solution a little bit cheaper than Ring Central. So
Oh, good.
yeah,
Okay,
let us
cool.
know.
Yeah, great.